we have a good sense of humor on StreamClout. So here's what we're gonna do. For the final meme challenge, we're not gonna have you hop on the show, but we are gonna have you make fun of us. So make fun of StreamClout. Let's see a meme of this meme battle that has failed miserably.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Make fun of us. Let's see your best meme of this battle. It could be about Brock's headphones failing. It could be Lodge's troll. I don't know what I did. I'm sure I screwed up somehow. You can make fun of me too. Let's see a final meme making fun of this stream.
That's a good idea. I'll send everyone some Clown Coin.